Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. Okay, so today I'm doing a candle wax reading. So the topic is what you need to know about your situation. So that is going to be the topic for today. Okay, and remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And I have used a deck today, shamanic medicine deck, so I'm just going to use that deck also. Okay, so yeah, so I have already pulled out the cards for you guys. So yeah, so for group number one, it's the pink candle, and for group number two, it's the blue candle. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, and then choose a candle that calls to you intuitively. Okay, if you need more time, take your time, pause the video, and I'm going to start with group number one. Okay, and the timestamps will be given in the description box. Group number one, if you have chosen this pink candle, let's see what is your message, what you need to know right now. Okay, right now what you need to know. Oh, we have north and solitude. So I feel like here spirit is telling you to take some time out for yourself. Maybe you are maybe you're making decisions based on someone else's perspective, so maybe it's time to distance yourself from others and take some time out. So maybe if you have a major decision to make, don't make your decision based on someone else's perspective. Rather, take a step away, spend time with yourself, and then make a decision that speaks to you. Okay, and be honest with it. That's something I'm getting. And maybe for some of you, it's time to take a break, it's time to relax. You have been working a lot, maybe you're feeling very stressed, so it's time to take a break. Okay, and you know, here spirit is also telling me that don't give up right now. Okay, what you're working on, it will happen. So maybe for some of you with the star, there is a wish that you want deeply, you desire this thing, but you feel like it's not coming your way. So maybe you are on the verge of breaking up, like you're on the verge of like breaking that thing, like I cannot do this wish is not going to come true, I'm not going to work anymore. Maybe you are on that verge. Here spirit is telling to just let go of that perception, take some time out. You will understand why things are taking time. So be patient with yourself, keep on moving forward with your goals. That's something I'm feeling like. So maybe for some of you, you are losing hope right now, and here spirit is telling to not lose hope, to not give up. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes in life there will be certain distractions, certain obstacles. That doesn't mean that your wish is not going to come true. Okay, so yeah, I feel like you feel like your wish is a distant dream, your wish will never come true, so you are like altogether thinking of giving up. So don't give up now. That's something I'm getting. And with this, you know, I feel like you're very protected. You're very protected. So in this journey, you're protected. Your wish is very protected. So if you're feeling very stressed right now, if you're feeling hopeless right now, this is a message to take some time out and spend some time with yourself, and align with your chakras. Go out in nature, connect with a tree, connect with water. That will be very good for you right now. Okay, and one more thing I'm feeling like, maybe for some of you, you shared something with your friend or a partner that I have this wish, that I want to move forward with this wish, and maybe they said something to you, and because of it, you are losing hope. So yeah, maybe they said something and that is affecting you right now, and that's why you're thinking that you should give up on your dream. So don't listen, you know, don't do something because of other people things that you are not able to achieve. You can achieve it. Like it's like a child is telling their parent that I'm very good at this thing, I want to pursue this thing, and then their parent says that no, you're not good at this thing, don't do that, it will not give that. You know, that kind of energy I'm feeling like you are making, and you're feeling like this because of someone else's perspective about you. So don't let that happen, because they don't know you, what your heart needs, right? They don't know that. So it's not the time to listen to them, it's time to listen to your body, to your own heart. So that's why they're telling you to take some time off, listen to meditations, or take a walk in nature. If you can take a break, if you can go out somewhere, do that. That will be very good for you guys right now. Okay, but at the end I'm getting like you're very protected. Your dreams are very, very protected. You will be able to fulfill your wishes, and universe is working for it. So don't lose hope, don't give up now. Okay, be patient. So let's see what else for group number 1. What you need to know, what spirit needs you to know right now. So maybe for some of you, you're definitely feeling hopeless today, and that's why. And if you are feeling hopeless and you are watching this video, it means spirit is telling you to not feel like that. There is hope. You will be able to move forward. You will reach your desires. You will have your wish fulfilled. But believe in yourself. Don't believe what others think of you. Okay. What worked for others may not work for you, or what is working for you may not work for others. Okay, so that's the thing. Yeah, so let's see, what is your message, what spirit wants you to know right now. Group number 1. I felt like someone's dream is to travel, and you shared that with someone, and they said something that you didn't like it. Yeah, I'm seeing a giraffe head. It's like change your perspective. Like you should view from above, right? So right now you're not seeing the whole picture, what universe is doing behind the scenes. You're not seeing that right now. Yeah, you don't know the whole picture right now. So things are happening for you guys, things are manifesting for you guys right now. You cannot see it, but it's happening. So change your perspective, let go of the stubbornness. For some of you, a little bit of stubborn over something, so maybe you need to let go of that. For some of you, it's an addiction also that you need to let go of, but that's not helping you in any way right now. Okay. Yeah, look, the unicorn. Maybe some of you want to work with unicorn, or you believe in unicorns, or something about unicorns. Or maybe you want to buy a t-shirt. Yeah, something about unicorn, so go for it. And unicorn is a magical creature, right? So yeah, I feel like uh, believe in yourself, believe in the magic, and when you believe in the magic, that is when you will see the magic. Okay, and I feel like you are making a connection with the higher realms. I feel like with this universe, you are, yeah. If you are, if you want to progress spiritually, I see there is definitely spiritual progress for you guys. Okay. I heard unexpected visitors. For some of you, there will be someone unexpected coming your way. And I even see someone like adopting a pet. Like you will see a cat outside, and you might adopt that cat. Okay, that is happening, I feel like, for some of you. Okay, maybe for some of you, you have pain all over your body. Maybe you're working out a lot and that's affecting you. So maybe do everything in balance. Maybe for some of you, it's time to start a exercise program. Okay. Maybe you have been thinking about it, but you're not taking action. So maybe it's time to do that. Okay. So a lot of unicorns I'm seeing. Yeah. Some magic is definitely happening for you guys. So I even feel like that a major disappointment will lead to a major happiness. So and that's something I'm getting here. Yeah, so maybe you will get disappointed, and that disappointment will lead to a greater happiness. You will be like very happy that that thing didn't happen, because much good thing will come your way, and it will be like such a miracle for you guys. Yeah. That's something I'm getting. For some of you, you have a health appointment, a health checkup, go for it, okay? Don't skip that. Or maybe you have an appointment with your therapist, go for it. It will help you a lot to change your perception about things right now, okay? It will change you. You will get uh, lot of clarity, okay? Yeah. I'm seeing eyes. So a lot of people are seeing you. Maybe if you are someone who has a social media page, a lot of people are seeing your work. Okay, they maybe your friends are also watching you, but they don't tell you. Okay, maybe for some of you, I feel like there is some people who are jealous, or maybe they will try to let you down by saying that you're not going and doing enough, that your videos suck or something like that. Don't listen to them. Okay, maybe for some of you, you might get a heartbreak like that, where your friend might say something and you will feel very bad. So yeah, for 5 minutes I feel like you will be like very 10 you will feel very bad for 5 or 10 minutes, and then you will be okay. That is something I'm forgetting. You'll be back. Okay. Yeah, or maybe you're on a social media, someone might comment something, and it will make you sad, but you will be back in 5, 10, 15 minutes. You will understand that it's not you, it's them. Okay. Yeah. Like I'm seeing a horse uh, running. So with that, I feel like that progress. I'm getting chariot energy. Maybe some of you might be Cancer sign also here watching, but definitely movement, progress is happening for you guys. I am hearing 1111. Maybe you did some manifestation on that day, or maybe yeah, maybe something happened on that day. Yeah, maybe something happened on that day. Yeah, on 11/11 something happened. You had a major disappointment that day, and you will understand why that happened, because something good is going to happen in the future. So for some of you, it's a very specific message. Maybe you had a disappointment on that day, and that disappointment will lead to a major happiness. So things are changing for you guys. So some of you are preparing for your interview. Be confident. Do confidently. Confidence is your key to success. Don't worry. I'm seeing a person who is like yeah, here a person like using their laptop and sitting on the bed, not getting out of the bed, feeling very bored. So yeah, so maybe for some of you, you need to do certain fun activities like going out with someone or going out alone. If it's alone, also go out alone and have fun. Go watch a movie. So don't sit there 24 hours. Like for some of you, you are not ready to get out of your bed. It's time to get out. Yeah, I see a big heart. I'm getting like your parents care for you. For some of you, your parents are going to pamper you also by buying a gift. Yeah. So gift, maybe for some of you, your birthday is coming, and definitely you're going to get a good gift. I feel like that. Or for some of you, it's like a compliment that you might receive, and it will make your day. Yeah, I'm seeing a jug. So, a lot of good times, like happy times, celebrating with people, like having fun times with your friends. And I feel for some of you here, there is a very, very genuine friend who cares about you. Maybe for some of you, you're neglecting this person. So, don't do that. Yeah, for some of you, you are neglecting a person who loves you deeply. Don't do that, and you know that who this person is. So don't do that. Don't neglect. That person is a gem. That's what I'm feeling like. Yeah, here. That's the message I'm hearing really. The person is a gem. Don't lose them because of your ego. Don't lose them. Okay. things are going to flow for you guys. If you're feeling stuck, things are going to unstuck and flow for you guys. Just take some time out, like as I told you with the solitude card, little bit time off you need to change your perspective, like to shift your energy. Yeah. uh, Maybe you were in this negative attitude. It's just a little bit yeah, you need an energy shift, and because for that you need to let go of your perception. Okay, that's something needs to be shifted, or maybe for some of you shifting something from one place to another. Yeah, there is shift happening. For some of you it's an energy shift. Okay, the way you're thinking right now about your situation is not going to be in the future. You that's just temporary situation. Okay, that's just temporary. Okay, maybe for some of you, you had a nightmare and you're stressing about that. Maybe you saw someone's death or something like that. Don't stress, everything is okay. Okay, balloons, I'm like balloons, cake, birthday party. For some of you there is a birthday party happening, and enjoy that time. Okay, spirit wants you to know to spirit wants to tell you to enjoy your time, to have that playfulness, to smile more. Okay, things will pan out for you. Maybe not the way you want, but the final result, the outcome will be fabulous. Okay, like I'm hearing, like when you give a dress to a person to, you know, to sew, like to maybe you'll go to a tailor, and they will make your dress, but it will not be the way you want, but when you will wear it, it will be much better than you expected, something like that. Yeah, a disappointment is going to turn into a surprise. That's something I'm feeling very strongly here. Okay, that's all. Group number 1. I hope you like the reading. If you like, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this blue candle, let's see what you need to know right now, what spirit wants you to know right now, what are the messages. Let's see. So I'm going to start with this card, group number 2, and your card is Sacred Site Purpose. Okay, so with this I feel like the first message I'm receiving is like you have been feeling like to go to a place, maybe a graveyard. I'm feeling like maybe you want to visit someone who has passed on, so go for it. Don't stop yourself. Go if you have been feeling called to go there, go there. Okay, so that is something, it's a very specific message. And for others, maybe you want to visit a church or a temple, you want to go to a museum somewhere, you have been feeling called to go there, visit your favorite places. That is something I'm getting here, and I feel like you will be doing. And a spiritual experience might happen that will change your perspective about life. So definitely, if you have been asking questions about something, you're going to receive answer, clarity, definitely very clear energy. If you have been asking about your purpose, like what I am good at, what is my talent, what I should do next, if you have been asking about it, the answers are coming. Trust your intuition, the answers are definitely coming. For some of you, even you will visit your ancestors, or like maybe graveyard of your passed on loved ones. I feel like at that time you might get some clarity, yeah, some information might come to you guys at that time. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, and for some of you, you have been planning to go travel, like to visit your favorite places. Go for it, you know, take action now, take action today. Okay, yeah, for some of you there is something new thing happening, like you are changing jobs. That is also something I'm feeling like you're understanding what you're good at, and that's why you're finally doing the things that you always wanted to do. So for some of you, I feel like you're finally uh, doing the things that your heart is telling you to do. Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of adventure happening for you guys. A lot of things are going to be clear, right? So things were unclear for you guys, you were a little bit confused. Maybe you were asking spirit, what is that next step, what action should I take, where I should go, what places should I visit. Like maybe you were questioning a lot, but finally I feel like you have been questioning a lot, and the answers are going to come. For some of you, through your dreams, you might get answer. For some of you, will feel intuitively very strong nudge. Okay, so don't ignore those things, because that is the message for you guys. And I'm getting like, maybe for some of you, you are seeing a lot of 777. Okay, yeah, 777 number is very strong here for some of you. Yeah, so let's see. If you're called, if you're feeling like traveling, just make that travel plans. Maybe if you want to go to a road trip and all, go for it. So let's see. For some of you were planning to buy certain crystals, but you didn't buy. Maybe it's time to buy those crystals. Okay, like for protection and all. Maybe you have been wanting to buy an amethyst crystal or a tourmaline crystal. Go for it. Okay, yeah. Or maybe for some of you want to start a crystal business or something. Start planning, like strategy, make a strategy plan, start action. You're going to go places. Maybe for some of you there is a collaboration happening very soon, and it will give you a lot of advancement. That's something I'm getting. Okay, yeah, it's like for some of you, this graveyard, you will go and you will get all your answers. So some place is waiting for you guys. Maybe you have been feel called to. If you have been feel called to go to a place, go there, go visit that place. Okay, maybe it can be a temple also. Just go. Yeah, your prayers are heard, I'm getting. I'm seeing a tortoise. Things are moving forward slowly but surely. Oh, I'm getting that baby in the womb, like, yeah. Maybe for some of you, you might become mothers for some of you. Or maybe you are going to start something from scratch. Maybe you will cook something from scratch, and you will be so proud of it. Okay, yeah, you're going to do something that you will be proud of it, and you will not seek any validation from someone. You will be very proud of it. I'm seeing a person who has a mustache and all, like a beard and all. Maybe you will meet someone new, or maybe it's you who have a beard and a mustache. Okay, I'm seeing a person. Um, yeah, maybe it's just it's just a specific message. If you're a person who has who has a mustache, I feel like you'll be wearing makeup. Yeah, and you have been maybe you want to wear you wanted to wear makeup, but you didn't do it in the past. But here, I feel like you will be doing it. So go for it. I'm hearing the word toxic masculinity. For some of you, you're getting you're understanding that, and you're getting rid of it. You're understanding that it's okay to cry. Yeah. So some of you are going to cry a lot. Like, you will go to your favorite places and you will get this answer and you will cry. That's something I'm getting here. You'll understand things from a deeper perspective. A lot of wisdom is coming, so you're going to cry. Maybe for some of you, you will hear that you're pregnant and you're going to cry because you will be so happy. It's like, I feel like that, you never validated yourself. You never you never accepted yourself. What I'm seeing is like, you're going to have a shift in your perception, and you're going to accept yourself, and that's why you're going to cry. It's like you're accepting yourself finally, and you don't care what others think of you. And for some of you, it's like you haven't been healed, this past on loved one. mm, you might haven't healed from that, this person, and finally you are like crying, and you're releasing a lot of things. A lot of release is happening for you guys. I'm seeing a dragon, like you're coming in your power. Yeah, finally you're coming in your power. And yeah, you're going to glow up, like a peacock. Like you're going to attract a lot of people. Like people, you wanted to wear makeup. Even if you're a man, you wanted to wear makeup, but you were so scared that you didn't do it, and you suppressed it. But finally it's like you're coming out of your shell, you're wearing the makeup, and you're showing it proudly, and you will be surprised to see that there are so many people who will support you for that. And you're going to attract a lot of people. Okay. There are, again, I'm seeing a tortoise. Things are going to go slow, but it is okay. You are going to win. Slow but steady progress is happening for you guys. So in your workplace also, slow but steady. Yeah, people say that you used, people. I feel like because of other people, you never recognized your own power. You thought that you're a sheep, but no, you were not a sheep, you were the lion. You were conditioned to believe that you're a sheep, that you have to follow the herd, you have to follow people. But now you're making your own path, you're doing something entirely different, and you don't care what society has to say, what other people has to say. You're going to go your way, and you're going to find your own tribe. Yeah, there will be people who will support you. Yeah, there will be criticism also. Everyone will not support you, and you will be okay with it. You're not going to prove yourself to anyone, like this is me, you have to accept me. You don't want that, because you have accepted yourself. Yeah, there is acceptance. You're accepting yourself, you're validating yourself, you're appreciating yourself, you're valuing yourself. That is the thing you're doing. I'm getting here. It has been a slow progress for you guys. Slowly but surely you're accepting. You have been doing that work. Now you're finally releasing all the things that you don't want in your life, like childhood trauma. Like inner child healing is also something I'm getting for group number 2 here. Okay, so this is deep. Like you have been doing this shadow work, and I feel like you're cleansing, you're purifying, you're becoming a new person again, and you have been trusting spirit. Even though things were hard, you have been trusting spirit. And yes, you are very strong people. Okay, for some of you, I even see that why I'm getting fluidity, something about fluid. I don't know that. Maybe you're fluid. Yeah, something fluid. This is all about acceptance, and you're accepting yourself. And yes, that's what you need to do right now. You need to accept yourself. You have been trying so hard to make your parents happy, to make others happy, but you were suffering inside. Now you're like, I don't want to suffer anymore. I'm going to be me. I'm going to show myself. I'm going to do the things I want to do. I'm going to say the truth that I want to say. I'm not afraid of that anymore. I want to, I don't want, like, it's like if you have been in a toxic relationship, you are going to say the truth and get out of it. So definitely spiritual experience, some sort of spiritual awakening is also happening or has happened, and that is like making you very strong, and you're taking stand. You're taking stand for yourself. You're very protected. You're very protected. That is also I'm getting here. For group number 1 also, there was this protection I'm getting. Yeah, I don't know, maybe for some of you, you have watched both piles. But yeah, finally, you're making your own destiny. I'm getting like that. You thought that you were fated, a bad life. Yeah, you thought that you have to go with the herd, you cannot be yourself, you thought that. But now what is happening is like you're changing that perception, and you're like, I know what I want, and I know I'm not here to follow the herd. I'm not here for to be the follower. I am here to lead people. So that's something I'm getting for you guys. Your thinking is entirely different from your family members. But what is it? Maybe your family members might criticize you for your thinking, but it's okay. They don't understand you because they are in this limited belief, and I feel like you are the ones who are going to slowly get them also out from their own limited visions, limited belief. Okay, because you will show them, you will become successful, and you will and that's what spirit is telling you. Are going to become successful. It's going to be very slow progress, but you will show them, and they will see your success, and they will listen to you. That yeah, you recognize yourself first. You recognize yourself, other people will recognize you later. That's something I'm getting. So this is like you are accepting yourself, you're getting your question answered, you're feeling very clear, and that's why you will be crying a lot. And look, I'm getting this peacock again. So yeah, you're understanding you're a peacock. Like you have pride. So yeah, you're not going to bow your head anymore. You have done that a lot in your life. Now you're like seeing people eye to eye. Even if someone stares you, you don't care. You will see them eye to eye, and then they will bow their head down. Like that's your energy. A lot of confidence you're gaining. Okay, you're not afraid to express yourself anymore. You were afraid to express yourself. Now you're not afraid. So it's like this glow up. You're becoming this powerful person. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. Accepting yourself, that's the thing. So it's like complete growth for you guys. And this maybe you have been focusing on your spirituality, and maybe because of the spiritual experience you have changed your perception, and you're blossoming. You're blossoming. And yeah, there are people around you who will be like nagging you, like teasing you and all. Like some stupid people are around you who will be saying stupid things, right? Don't care for them. Don't put your energy onto them. Yeah, I'm seeing a crocodile. Okay. Just search for the meaning of crocodile. Okay, I don't remember right now. Maybe there is a message for you guys. Yeah. For some of you are planning a trip to a sea, to boat, maybe a houseboat or something like that. You want to go and relax. Maybe that is your favorite place. Go there. Yeah, you have been earning to go somewhere. Go there. Yeah, that is the message for group number 2. I hope you like the reading. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.